established himself as one of the game's premier young players. However, a trade to the Toronto Maple Leafs in 1994 would alter the course of his career and the franchise's history forever. Sundin spent 13 seasons with the Blue and White and was the team's first ever European-born captain. He wore the C for 11 seasons. Sundin is the Leafs' all-time leader in goals and assists, and was also the first Swedish-born player to reach 1,000 points in the NHL. He represented his home country internationally on 14 occasions, and was the captain of the Olympic gold medal-winning team in 2006.
Congratulations, Matt. One question for you. Coming back to Toronto and being a Hockey Hall of Famer, what does that mean to you?
Well, it's really tough to take in. You know, I spent 13 years here, landing in Toronto with my family on Thursday night, and it feels like coming